Welcome to Solver Fee.
Good day. In this question, we will be finding the relationship between the current and the resistance of figure 28-7. So for figure 28-7, the potential drops across R1 and R2 or potential difference are the same because the resistors are in parallel. So for parallel, the potential drop V1 is equal to V2. Therefore, from the equation of potential difference equals current times the resistance, we have I1 R1 is equal to I2 R2. So from that, but the total current for parallel is equal to the current of in R1 or the resistance 1 plus the current and resistance 2. So therefore, we have I2 is equal to I minus I1. So substituting in the first equation, we have I1 R1 is equal to I minus I1 R2, or this is equal to I R2 minus I1 R2. So rearranging this will give us I1 is equal to R2 divided by R1 plus R2 times I. So using the results together, where R1 equals I2 R2, and substituting this, we have I2 is equal to R1 divided by R2 I1, which is also equal to R1 plus R divided by R1 plus R2 I. So this is the relationship between the resistance and the current based on the parallel circuit where the potential difference is just equal.